5 must-have job automations. Here we go. I'm going to start with a summary, what we're going to cover, then go over each of these individually. So the first is going to be messaging when a job closes. Second, all around internal inactivity alert to your team. Number 3 is a way to automatically unpublish old jobs that shouldn't be on your website any longer. Number 4 is fix missing data. And number 5, matching to candidates. So let's get into it. So the message on job close, you can let candidates know that weren't placed that the job is no longer available. You can include other roles that they could be a good fit for, but just letting them know what's happening, what is going on, provides a good experience and is a differentiator to a normal experience that they would normally receive. Be a great way to add value. Number 2 is a way that you can ensure that your high priority jobs are getting the effort that they ought to be. So you can find jobs that do not have a certain level of submission activity, whether that's a total volume of submissions or whether that is a certain number of submissions reaching a certain stage. Candidate interested, candidate qualified, client send out, interviewing, etc. And then those can all be triggers, or the lack of that activity can also be triggers to keep your recruiting team updated, let them know what the priority items are to work on. And you can also elevate these alerts and notifications to managers as well to ensure that all your teams are pulling in the right direction together. This next automation is a simple one, oftentimes very powerful, especially if you don't have anything in place. You can ensure that jobs on your website will come off your website after they've been on for a certain period of time. So even though the job might still be open, you still might be working on it, not many candidates are going to be interested in something that's been posted on your website for 6 months, 3 months. You want to refreshing those things, make sure that they're active. So you could unpublish the job and actually repost it as well. Both of those could be done through automation steps. This could be a great way to ensure that you're cycling your jobs, keeping them fresh, so you're not having stale content on your website. And of course, it's a way to make sure that they're accurate as well. Number 4 for must-have job-based automations is identifying jobs that are missing key information and then alerting your team or whomever is responsible to ensure it's fixed. So whether that be things that are just inadvertently missing, like pay rates, and other important details like reporting to or location, anything along those lines, you can find things that are missing that data and ensure that it's fixed so your whole team knows what they're working on. And number 5 must have is utilizing the auto submit or auto message functionality to the best X number of candidates that match. This can be triggered when a job opens. So this is a very powerful aid to increase the speed of your recruitment and shorten kind of the time in which a job opens to the time that you can get it in front of job seekers and qualified ones. It could be really a game changer for your business if you deploy it in the right way.